Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to share with you one of my quick, simple makeup looks. This is what I do now on a daily basis. It does differ from time to time, but this is kind of what I do on a daily basis, just for a very quick, simple look during the day. It's nothing special, it's just what I do and the products that I use. So hopefully you all find this really, really helpful. I do get requested in terms of, I do get people asking me, what do I use and stuff on my skin and in the day. So this is the perfect video for you to be watching because you're going to find out exactly what I use and stuff on a daily basis. These are my go-to products that I usually just go on and use for quickness and stuff. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, I've already moisturised my skin. I have nothing on my skin at the moment. This is just my bare face. I've already moisturised, but I'm going to go in with primer. Now obviously primer is a great thing to include in your makeup routine because they're going to prolong the makeup wear, curate that perfect base for the makeup. But it's also really, really essential, I would say, for the summertime. I don't always use a primer in the day in the summer, but if I'm going to be wearing makeup for long periods of the day or a night out and stuff, or I'm going to be outside for a long time, a primer is essential. You just need a primer in your life. So this is actually gift size, but this is the Clarins Beauty Flash Bomb. Absolutely love this, one of their iconic products. And this brightens, tightens the skin, and it just creates that perfect base. This actually contains rice starch, which obviously is going to keep the makeup in place for longer. It's going to keep the makeup stick into the face basically and just prolong your wear. But I love this. It smells amazing, it feels amazing, and look, you can see straight away, look, my skin's brighter and I just love it. Instantly my skin's got more of a glow and that's going to keep my makeup in place all day. You can also use this as a face mask as well. A lot of people use it as a face mask. Works really, really nicely. Then, for my base, I'm going to be using, I've mentioned this in my top foundations video for summertime. It's this one here, the Clarins Youth Fluid Foundation. As you all know, I love this. It's not heavy on the skin, it's lightweight, but it still provides medium coverage. Goes on so nice, blends beautifully, gives a lovely finish. I don't use a lot, guys, at all. I don't use a lot in the day. Literally, probably a pump or so. So I'm just going to blend this in. It smells amazing. This shade is in Cappuccino. So yeah, just going to blend this all in nicely to the skin. Like so. So how have all you guys been doing? I hope you're all doing really, really well. We've had such good weather here in the UK, really nice weather. It's been really, really hot, which is why I've got quite a bit of a tan because I've been in the garden and, making the most of the sun and taking in all that rays. Love a bit of sun. I just love a tan. I feel so much better with a tan. And luckily for me as well, I always protect the skin. So I always wear SPF 30 on my face and stuff. But I catch it really, really quick. I tan really, really easily and nicely. So I'm quite lucky. That's basically why I'm quite tanned at the moment. So yeah, I think that's all blended in. Look at that. I just love it. I just absolutely love this foundation. It's just flawless. Like so. So that's the foundation. Then in the day, I usually use one or the other. So usually bronzer or blusher. Today I'm going to go in with blusher. Sorry guys if I'm looking at the floor quite a lot. It's because all the makeup and products and stuff is on the floor. So apples of the cheek. And then I blend upwards. And this is the Benefit Galifornia blusher. I love this. It's amazing. It looks a bit scary, but I promise it's absolutely amazing. I think anyone can wear this, but it's especially amazing for darker skin tones. like more warmer skin tones, tanned skin. Looks amazing. I love it. Look at that. So there's that. Got some blusher going on. Then I go in with mascara. Now the mascara I'm using at the moment is the Clarins Be Long mascara. I love this. The one's super nice and small, so it's easy to handle, but it's great for separating the lashes, and it also gives me good length as well. I am using my viewfinder, guys, as my mirror, so please bear with me. I'm going to try and not do that typical mascara face. But yeah, I love this. I don't apply a lot of mascara in the day. I've been using this mascara for a while. Like so. So that's my mascara applied. Next, I'm going to go in with some setting powder on my forehead and T-zone, because I do have normal combination skin, so I am prone to like looking a bit shiny in the day. This is the Urban Decay, and this is the De Slick mattifying powder. I love this, universal colour, so anyone can wear this. It's translucent, but it's white, but it kind of has like I think it's like, they say it's like a lavender tinge or like a purple tinge, but it doesn't come out that colour, so don't worry. But yeah, I love this. And I'm just going to apply that to my forehead and my nose, just to set the makeup and prevent shine. And the mascara looks like this, by the way. Very nice, sleek gold packaging. Next, I'm going to go in with some highlighter. I don't always apply highlighter in the day, but I am today for the purpose of this video. Why not? I'm literally using the MAC Soft and Gentle. This is one of my favourite highlighters. I love this. Beautiful kind of golden champagne-y kind of colour. One of my favourites. And I'm just going to apply that to the top of the cheekbone with my Real Techniques contour brush. I mean, look at that. I mean, you just can't go wrong with a bit of highlighter, can you? One of my favourite products is a highlighter. I have so many, which I'm probably going to do a separate video on. And I can show you my collection and what I actually use. So I've got so many highlighters. As I said, it's one of my favourite products. There's that. And then I go in with a lip product. This is the Clarins Natural Lip Perfector in 06. These are really, really nourishing, really, really moisturising, lovely to wear in the day because it's just nice and subtle. This is like a nudie kind of colour. I either apply it like that or I apply it to my fingers. Today I'm going to apply it with my fingers. Guys, it is really hard getting ready in the viewfinder and not having a mirror. I should have been more prepared and had a mirror, shouldn't I? But there we go, it's all good. Like, we're done now. More or less. So, that they feel amazing. Hopefully it's all applied right. But yeah, looks good. There's that. And then, lastly, we're almost done. Literally a couple of steps and then that's it. Lastly, I don't always use a setting spray, but this is going to give you that foolproof summer makeup, which is what we all need. This is just going to give you that foolproof makeup throughout the day. It's just going to keep everything in place. I've used this for a long time. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I absolutely love this. Essential for a night out. Literally. That's all you need. A couple of sprays on the skin and that's going to keep everything in place. Then I can't go about my day without a bit of fragrance, basically. We all need a bit of fragrance in our lives. I just want to be smelling good and yummy 24/7. So this is many of the fragrances I have. I've just picked this one up today for the video. Love this, really, really soft, not too overpowering for the day. Love it. This is the Dior Homme Cologne. Literally a bit of that on my neck. So I'm smelling delish. And that's it, guys. Very simple, very, very quick, nothing much to it. I don't need to always apply brow product. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but in the day, typically I don't because I don't need it because they're tattooed, basically. So yeah, any questions or anything you want to know, don't forget to leave below. Please subscribe to my channel. I really, really appreciate it, and give this video a like, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks, guys.